how to use media creation tool, and it can help you to repair and upgrade your system. So for this you need to follow one link. So you need to open this one link in your system. This is the link which you need to open. I will share you this link. This is Microsoft link only, and when you press it, it will automatically download media creation tool in your system. You just need to open this, and you just need to double tap on this, and it will automatically run. And after that you need to follow on screen instruction to use this tool, which is very useful tool. I use it occasionally because it solves so many errors in my PC, but it takes some time to complete the process. So you need to wait for a while and just follow the on screen instructions, and it will fix so many errors in your Windows PC. So you need to scroll down and click on accept, and click on the next button, and you just need to follow the on screen instruction to complete this process. So it will take a few minutes to complete this process. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for monthly videos.